Do do do, do 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 do. Whoa, whoa, do 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 do. Whoa, whoa. This is what I'd say if I wrote myself a letter. You keep saying it'll get better, but you ain't making cheddar, dear Billy. Whoa, whoa. You keep saying that you do it even though there ain't no pay, but somehow you find a way despite what everyone say, dear Billy. Whoa, whoa. Cause even though you've been around and your friends they had their downs, but you still holding it down. I just can't figure out how, dear Billy. Whoa. What would you say if you were offered, had no worries about a dollar? You would be all over TV and there's no one here to stop you, say, Billy. What would you say?
What I say? Now this is what I say if I was offered a deal. I turn it down in a heartbeat, and that's just how I feel. The industry, them lie, but Spawnbreezie keep it real. I double up my grind just to get my fam a meal, but I'm satisfied with how my life is going about now. Cause I'm on who's independent, your boy shoulders hold it down. I don't need no record label to do what I did. The only way I sign is if it takes care of my kids. Yeah.
I don't need nobody, I don't need nobody else. Cause everybody that I know is out there for themselves. It's a crazy world that we living in right now. So watch me as I show you how to hold the game down. I don't need nobody, I don't need nobody else. Cause everybody that I know is out there for themselves. It's a crazy world that we living in right now. So watch me as I show you how to hold the game down.
So many times you had to come out of your pocket, but you came through. So many shows you did for people when they never paid you, dear Billy.
Whoa.
How could you do it even though you got kids back home, waiting for stacks back home, but you came back alone, dear Billy? What would you say if you was offered, had no worries about a dollar? You would be all over TV and no one's here to stop you, say, Billy. What would you say? What would you say?
I don't need nobody, I don't need nobody.
I don't need nobody.
Everybody that I know is out there for themselves. It's a crazy world that we living in right now. So watch me as I show you how to hold the game down. I don't need nobody, I don't need nobody. Everybody that I know is out there for themselves. It's a crazy world that we living in right now. So watch me as I show you how to hold the game down.
What would you say if you was offered, had no worries about a dollar? You would be all over TV and no one's here to stop you, say, Billy. What would you say?